This is Joey. He heard about a technique called mewing, which is the proper posture of the tongue. He knows the benefits of correct tongue posture, which are more prominent cheekbone structure, cheeks becoming hollow from proper swallowing, nose bridge becomes more straight, and face swings upwards so gonial angle decreases and chin appears more forward, and many more benefits. Welcome back, guys. I hope you guys are having a fantastic day today. Right now, I'm going to explain exactly how Joey's been working on his mewing technique and has noticed vast improvements in the benefits we just went over. Many people have an immediate cynical response to this technique without having done it right themselves. Let's see what Joey did to learn how to mew so that you can notice these benefits for yourself. The first thing he learned was the placement of the tongue at rest, and then he learned the placement of the tongue when swallowing. To find out where the tip of his tongue should be placed, he said to himself, "Nah, nah, nah, nah." From there, he placed the rest of his tongue to the roof of his mouth and then suctioned his mouth shut, which creates a vacuum inside of his mouth. By keeping his tongue in this position throughout the entire day, he has now created a pillar of support for the front of his head. He learned that over time, when there is no support for the front of the head, the face starts to droop and look like this. He also learned that when there is no support for the front of the head, then your chin starts to tuck in, giving you that double chin look and not showing that prominent jawline that you should have. The last crucial part of mewing that Joey learned about was the tongue placement when swallowing. Naturally, Joey's tongue wants to slide forward between his teeth when he swallows. He learned that if you did continue swallowing like this, then you would damage your gums and also develop skewed teeth. To fix this, Joey simply practiced the cheesy smile swallow. And yes, the cheesy smile swallow is as cheesy as it sounds. So to practice proper swallowing technique, he placed his tongue in correct tongue posture. Then, with his teeth clenched together and head up, swallowed without allowing his tongue to slide forward. Doing this fixed any oral muscular imbalances that he may have had, and now he can be rest assured that he's not going to have any muscular imbalances in his mouth. Most importantly though, Joey knew that he had to practice this every single day throughout the entire day. And he knew he wouldn't see major results for months or years to come. Consistency and longevity are the key factors for optimal results. I seriously hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, I strongly recommend this video next. Please go ahead and drop a like on this video if you enjoyed it. As always, have a fantastic rest of your day, and I will see you guys next time.